people, as always, I'm back with my Japanese shows that people should watch. No, yeah, really try and learn one language at least, some language. I mean, of course, there are people who are learning instruments, they're the ones who are doing paintings and things like that. And of course, a job hunt is on. Like yesterday itself, I spoke to some person, a telephonic thing, but with all this lockdown, it's all we don't know what you know how things will turn out. But the main thing is, if you notice, with regard to a job also, many a time taking up a job would involve so much of expenses, yeah, like up and down petrol and every day, in case you tend to start eating out a lot because you're working outside, and stress and all. But of course, I'm looking forward. It's been so long since you know so that's what, everything there is that higher power. But so the Japanese show that I was speaking about is called Izakaya Botukuri. Yeah, that's actually the name. And no, that's what the name. They themselves poke fun at the name during the show. It's called Izakaya Botakuri. Botakuri. So. Basically, I think it denotes a restaurant, and botakuri is I think a word for imitation or something that is just a replica or something. That's what is meant in Japanese. But it's such a cute show, yeah. It's just got like 10 episodes, I think 9 or 10, and then they are just 22 minutes long, so very short. And then you can, I really want to learn Japanese. That's my thing. Now it's already going to become a 2-minute video, so check it out on Netflix, and it is a cute show to watch. See, first time I'm wearing tracks at home. I never wear tracks, but yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.